So let's directly get to the point that how you can see or find the password of your Google account. It may be Google account which is logged into your phone, or it may be a Google account which is logged into your browser. So what you simply have to do is you have to open up Google Chrome and tap on your profile picture available at the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you have to scroll through here, and here you get an option Password Manager. So tap on it. And here under saved passwords and passkeys, you will find a URL named google.com or mail.google.com or gmail.com. So if you have saved your account's password, so it will be displaying here. You have to simply tap on it, and here you will see the password. As soon as you tap on this eye icon, your Google account password will be visible to you. But if this is not the case and you have not saved your Google account password in this passwords manager, then the second thing you have to do is you have to close Google Chrome, and here you find an app in your phone named Passwords. So if you open it and tap on the unlock button, here you have to tap in the search bar and search here Google. Here you will see the email addresses and passwords of all of your Google accounts that you have saved up to the day. As soon as you tap on that specific email address that you are trying to see the password of, you'll be able to see the password of that specific Google account. But if this is also not the case and you have also not saved that password in Passwords app as well, you have to open up your Google Chrome and go to mail.google.com. You can also use Safari or any other browser as well. And after that, you have to type in your email address here in this box and press the next button. And on the next page, tap on the forgot password button and follow the on-screen instructions. An OTP or one-time code will be sent to your email address or phone number. From there, you can reset your password and you'll have a new password that you can save for later use. So that's how you can see or find your Google account's password.